Tonight, a 37-year-old man is dead after he was shot by a St. Pete police officer during what investigators say began as a mental health crisis. The Pinellas County Sheriff's Office says officers repeatedly tried to de-escalate the situation before opening fire. 10 Tampa Bay News reporter Kristen Barbarisi has details about what happened and how neighbors are reacting.
This all started about 11:30 this morning when a man called police saying his brother was suicidal. When officers arrived, they tried to de-escalate the situation before it turned deadly.
And that's awful. What a tragedy.
It's kind of out of the blue, though.
Neighbors near 121 Pershing Street in St. Pete were stunned Sunday morning as police and crime scene units surrounded the home.
It shows you that things like this can happen anywhere.
According to investigators, officers got a call from a man who said his brother, 37-year-old Casey Sedlock, was suicidal. Sedlock's brother told 911 operators he already wrestled one knife away from him, and officers arrived to find him armed with another.
He was saying, shoot me, to the officers.
The sheriff says officers tased Sedlock multiple times, but it didn't work.
Casey grabbed the knife and was getting up off the ground with the knife in his right hand as he was trying to get toward those officers.
That's when investigators say a St. Pete police officer fired 4 shots. Sedlock died at the hospital around 12:30.
No law enforcement officer wants to do what this officer had to do today.
Those who live nearby say it's heartbreaking for everyone involved.
That's crazy. I wish something else could. That's sad. I mean, it really is sad because they seemed really nice. I talked to them in passing, like, hey, how you doing? And they never had any kind of attitude or anything. Very nice people.
The officers have families, I'm sure wife and kids, they have to come home to their family as well. So, they're kind of put in a tough spot there.
The sheriff says because of a new law starting July 1st, they have to wait 72 hours before they can release the name of the officer. Reporting in St. Petersburg, Kristen Barbarisi, 10 Tampa Bay News.